Use my terminal, so let me type Ubuntu. It's currently here. So this is my terminal. So here in my terminal, let me sign my account in sudo. There you go. So require my password. Then here is my username. So I'm now in. So the question requires me to create the main directory. So I will. I'm creating new TV, my project. Slash. Okay, the subdirectories are src, comma, configure. So subdirectories. So let me enter ls and c. So my project has been created because I use that command because the main directory was not created. So I create both of them, the main directory and subdirectory. So let me check. Let me cd into the main directory and see whether it's created, whether the subdirectories are created. So ls. So yeah, that there. So the question want me to create a file and configure. So let me cd to configure. Configure. So let me ls and c. Yeah, I'm in configure. So let me use type to create file. So touch. So now file name is node.txt. txt. That's the file I created. So let me ls and check what is created. It's now created. You can see here. So scene is created now. Let's say so use ls. So list here we are going to list, but the one has to list the contents. So let us list all the detail. So we want the one has to list in long format. So let me list in long format. So a it means that list all the directories in long format. That's the meaning of a. So if I enter, you can see now everything is now listed in long format. So another thing is, after all we have listed everything in long format, we use bi now to edit text. So we say bi, then we can say note.txt. So we are opening with note, dot, it's not comma, txt. So here now we insert. So we say maybe this is my project, just like a description. Project setup file. Let me just say like that. Then maybe I can just say directory is just structure. I can just say directory. So resemble structure. I think those two are enough. So now for us to quit the insert mode, we escape. Then we type in column, then maybe W, then Q. W first to save, then we can save it. It's now saved. So it's colon, then W is saved like that. Then coming back again, we say colon again, WQ, we quit. So we are now back in the command. So they tell us to use cut now. So to use cut. So using cut, we say cut. Sorry, cut. Then we see what is there in the node. We say node txt. So they say the project setup file structure. So these are these things inside it. So we now search using grep. So we want to search the word project. These are the things that I wrote inside in the PID. Let's search now using grep. So we can say grep. Then we say maybe we put in bracket project or project. I'll search. Searching project. Project in not txt. You see now the project setup file, it is now there.